She's fucking dead.
Nathan, what's going on over here?
Civic's broken.
And I cannot shine like you. All of the lights, all of the break away. Don't just fade away from my emotions. Hate the way we're going through the motion. Love the way you're looking in slow motion.
Well, she's fucking dead. Hopefully there's not much background noise and that shit, but anyways, yes, Akina is dead. She hasn't been running for about a month. I don't know when this video is actually gonna get fucking uploaded, but anyways, it's dead. And yeah, you're probably asking what's happened to her, and quite a lot of stuff has happened towards it. Third gear's gone. Third gear doesn't work, and that just gives me a good excuse to engine swap. So yeah. And if you're all just wondering, yes, the single cam still fucking run, and it runs very fucking good. I really do miss this car. You know, it's your first car to everything, and I just feel like I've really let it down. Oh well, I don't need those anymore. Because in Australia, you move up, and now you're on your greens. So this first mod for the EK right now. Share. New P-plates. Share. That is crazy. And I really miss this car so much. I've just been driving an automatic car and just been really fucking bored with it. And that car, it brings so much joy. Even though it was so slow, it brings so much joy towards me. And it is what it is, but oh well. Here she is, all covered up, waiting to get installed. Probably asking why don't you just install it if it's ready? Just a few more maintenance works we've got to do onto it. We've got to get a new alternator and stuff like that. And not just that, today I'm just painting the rocker cover, which I probably won't even record because this guys see the end result and I think it's going to be freaking amazing, the end result. But yeah, Arkin is dead. Well, not really, but his transmission doesn't work and she runs still. If you want to buy the engine, buy the engine. Gonna sell soon. And I need some B series parts, so buy the fucking engine.
Only is you that could brighten my day. When I'm with you, everything is okay. I think I love you way more than myself. When I'm with you, I don't need no help.
Both the guys are just looking like two idiots in a car. Just the camera out.
Bizarre.
Nah, you're good, bro. Oh, shit. Time to fuck up some people. Hey.
My car can't even go above 100.
Bro, it's private roads. We don't need speed. Exactly, bro. His car doesn't even go past 100. We don't need speed. They even got the hazard lights on.
I want to start one though.
They're actually so goofy, bro. Fucking rip it! Why did you rip it? Oh shit! What the fuck is happening? Ah! What the fuck is... Just hyping the shit out of him.